Hi, I'm back. Today I want to show you a quick tip about Google Chrome that maybe you didn't know yet. This is about tabs. Do you know some people, maybe it's you, who have one window open of a browser and a bunch of tabs about everything they want to read later or want to see later or whatever. And then all of a sudden you open the tab and some sound starts playing and you don't know which tab it comes from. Alright, I'm going to help you with that. I'm going to show you today how to group different tabs and how to shut it, how to close off the sounds at once for a particular tab. This is going to help you tremendously with organizing and keeping track of what you want to read, what you want to do, and all things like that. Alright, come with me to the computer. Alright, so right here I have a couple of tabs open for you to show you how to group them. For example, if I want to group tigers, lions, and Yandex, I have tigers selected, that one is white, that's the one I'm looking at. And I want to go all the way up to Yandex. I'm going to press Shift and click. Let me zoom in for you and show you. Alright, Shift and click. There we are. Now all three of them are selected. I'm going to right click anywhere basically in between these three and say add tabs to new group. I want to name this group animals and give it a nice yellow color. Now that's basically it. They are now grouped. And you would say there's an extra tab, that's true. But if I click that, all of them like come together. You see? All right, so if I want to maybe pull another tab into it, let me see, this one. I just drag it up here and you see it get orange. I let it go and now you'll see more interesting tabs. So I can just close the tab without closing the entire group. And if I click right on the group, I can choose to add a new tab, to ungroup the group, to close the group, or to move it to a new window. Now let's say I close it and I'm like, oh man, I didn't want to close it. All you have to do, and this works for every tab, not just for groups in Google Chrome, is I press Ctrl Shift T and then they'll come back. All right. So I also promised to show you how to mute a tab. So I'm just going to go to YouTube real quick. I want to close this because this is just taking up my, oh, happy mistake. I'm going to go to YouTube real quick to get some sounds. This is Stromae, I love Stromae. All right, now this is going to start playing and you'll see a little speaker turn up here, right? The speaker shows you that this tab is the one where the sound is coming from. Now, if I want to mute it, all I have to do, let's say I'm working here and all of a sudden a sound starts playing and I see it coming from this one. I don't have to go into the tab. I can just right click it and say mute site. There you go. You'll now see it's muted. And of course you can also go back and unmute it that way by right clicking it. So that's it. Now for the tabs, you can just drag in every tab you want, drag it out of there, and just basically, well, organize your life. Have fun with it. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. What did you think about it? Has it helped you? And will you use this? Let me know and follow me for more videos. Bye.